Cantankerous, bad-tempered and argumentative. Example, the cantankerous old man shouted at the kids. Credulous, too ready to believe. Example, the credulous child believed every fairy tale. Derisive, mocking or scornful. Example, he gave a derisive laugh at the silly idea. Copacetic, in excellent order. Example, everything was copacetic before the event began. Castigate, to criticize severely. Example, the coach castigated the team for poor performance. Convivial, friendly and sociable. Example, it was a convivial evening filled with laughter. Beguiling, charming but deceptive. Example, she gave him a beguiling smile.